In this video lesson, let us learn regarding the next classification, which is based on sp2 hybridized carbon atom involvement. sp2 hybridized carbon atom involvement. This category is containing two types in it, namely vinylic halides and arylic halides. Vinylic halides or arylic halides. Arylic halides are otherwise also called haloarenes. They are also called haloarenes. Now let us understand each one of them in bit detail. First, let us consider vinylic halides. What are these vinylic halides? They are the carbon atoms which has undergone sp2 hybridization, to which the halogen atom is attached, and these carbon atoms are also involved in double bond directly, unlike the allylic halides which we learned previously, where the halogen was attached to the carbon atom involved in sp3 hybridization, which in turn was attached to the carbon atom involved in double bond. Unlike that, here we have the case wherein the carbon atom to which the halogen is attached is directly involved in double bond. Look at this example. This X can be chloro, fluoro, bromo, iodo as the case may be. Now, what is the name of this compound? The general name that we can give is halo. Of course, this is the first carbon atom that we can tell, either one or this side one. Let us consider this. So, this also will be getting the lowest possible number. 1 halo alkene. This is a general name. And which alkene is this? Because it's 2 carbon atom. So, therefore, we can call this as ethene. 1 halo ethene. Now, let us replace this X with Cl, with chloro. Therefore, the name becomes 1 chloro ethene. Is it that only the alkenes are involved in this aliphatic alkenes? Not necessarily that. Even the alicyclic compounds, that means cycloalkenes, also have these cases. Now this is a cyclohexene. What do we see here? It is, this chlorine is attached to the carbon atom involved in double bond, and this carbon atom would have undergone sp2 hybridization. Therefore, the name of this compound is chlorocyclohexene. Chlorocyclohexene. So, therefore, what are vinylic halides? They are the organic compounds wherein either the alkenes or the cycloalkenes, where the halogen atom is attached to the carbon atom involved directly in the double bond, in turn has undergone sp2 hybridization. Now let us learn about arylic halides. Let us learn about arylic halides. These are the halogen derivatives of benzene ring. Say for example, this is the benzene ring. If to the benzene ring a halogen is attached, the name of this compound is chlorobenzene. Now, Take a proper look at this chlorobenzene structure. What do we see? There is presence of benzene ring. There is presence of halogen, namely chlorine. This chlorine halogen is attached to the carbon atom of the benzene ring, which has undergone sp2 hybridization, and it is also involved in double bond. So therefore, this is an example of arylic halide. So this is chlorobenzene, and now there is Cl and there is CH3. Then the name of this compound will be 1, 2, 3. So therefore 3-chloromethylbenzene. 3-chloromethylbenzene, or instead of writing it as methylbenzene, we can straight away call it as toluene. So like this, we see that halogen atom is directly attached to the benzene ring, wherein the carbon atom to which the halogen has attached has undergone sp2 hybridization. That is the necessary condition. The carbon atom must have undergone sp2 hybridization, and it should be present, that the halogen should be directly present attached to the benzene ring. So with that we complete the classification about sp2 hybridized carbon atom. In my next video lesson, I will be covering about the furthermore different types of haloarenes. Please watch the video for better understanding.